Here's the Deer Creek trailhead, so we're going to get ready to go on our little hike. Go check out what's going on over here. I'm going to fly my drone a little bit. Then we'll get ready to go.
To the moon, right out of the sky, for you, baby. All these pennies on your eyes, for you, baby. I wanna take you out to the fair.
Okay, here goes nothing. Heading into Deer Creek, 3-day backpack trip. Quite a bit of water here. The canyon, such as it is opening up pretty wide here. I'm taking the high ground rather than the low ground because the low ground has all those willows, bushwhacky stuff. High ground is open. Nice big old dead pine tree. A nice big old live one. A little dry draw, a little bit of water in there. Enough to nurture these pine trees. Narrows down there. Good boy. Here we go. Looks like here we have to ford the creek. I think. Chewy, we got to cross. Good job! This is about the third or fourth time for Chew crossing the creek. He likes it less each time. Yep, that's the way, Chew. Gotta do it again. You did it once. You can do it. Good boy. You got it. We're retracing our steps because the way down there is really impassable. I mean, there are footprints, but I doubt it. I think the way to do it is to get up on this, maybe find a bench up there. I think that bench will take us around. If not, we'll have to regroup and figure something else out. Chewy's down there whining. He hasn't figured our way up here yet. I'm not even sure if this is going to go. I was thinking get up on this bench and maybe I could skirt around. Chewy says no. Chewy might give it another try. He didn't like it. He didn't like that slick rock. At least you don't have a pack, Chew. Yeah, this is where I regroup because I can't do this. There's no real secure bench along there. Too dicey, especially with a pack. And the dog's not going to do it, that's for sure. And there's no way up there to that copse where the cedars are from down at the creek, so. And I'm not going to wade down the creek with the dog because that's, I think, what you have to do. You just have to walk down the creek, right down the middle of it, and the dog won't put up with that. He barely will cross the creek. So, I think I'm going to drop my pack down there. I don't think I can maneuver down there with the pack on my back. See how that works. Let's send it down the fall line, I guess, where those rocks go. Lost some stuff, but it made it. Now here goes me. But for a little bit of the ways, hopefully I'll feel myself slipping and falling, breaking my butt. Gotta go back to where I came. Maybe the line over there. Ooh-wee! We're having fun now. I'm not going to film this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down that bench and then scoot along that other line. Oh, now that I'm down here, I think I can film myself. Try and make it down to where Chewy the dog is. And then we're going to backtrack because I'm not doing this Wade Creek thing. Maybe we could figure out a way to get up on the plateau, make it down to the river, I don't know. We will see. It's all an adventure. The pack. Here's the chew dog. All right, here we go again. Good boy. These nasty willows. Gotta fight your way through them. This is the way, but it's not the way I'm going. I'm gonna backtrack, figure out a way to get up above the canyon, or just turn around and do something else. Hiking back the way we came, looking for a way up out of the canyon, see if maybe walk along the top of the canyon rather than down in the canyon. There's the Deer Creek Canyon that I just emerged out of. I don't know if it's going to work to get up on the edges of the canyon. It's going to be too hard to get over on the other side. And I'm afraid if I get up on this side, I'll be on the wrong side of Deer Creek when I get down there. Maybe I'll be able to. I don't know. We'll see. I think that's the way I'm going to go, is get up on that one. My lunch scene. We took a break, dried out my socks and shoes. I made myself a cup of noodles. Now we're reassessing what we're going to do with the rest of our trip, because I'm not going down that Deer Creek. If I was by myself or with another person, not a dog, yeah, maybe. But even then, it's not too much fun wading down a narrow creek, down a narrow canyon. these volcanic rocks, erratics, all down this old dry wash. This tree is not going to survive. Next big flood coming through there is going to knock it down. Well, I went ahead and hiked out. I didn't want to camp next to the cow pies. And I found this dirt road, and just drove down 100 yards or so and found this place to car camp on BLM land. Chewy refuses to get out of the back of the car. He's just like, I'm good. I'll just hunker down here. Thank you very much. Brew up some tea and then read my Kindle. It's only about 3:30.